Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you can see this is officially website. So first step you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see this search box. Click on this and then enter your model number of motherboard H610M D3H DDR4 and then hit enter. And then click on this. Okay. Then click to support. Now you can see this is your motherboard. So select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11 and 10 32-bit. If you use any Windows 10 and 11, but installations process same. Select VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver and click to download. It will take some time to download. Then it is done, and just single click to open, and after that this is exe. So after that double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed.